If you're looking for Victorinox laptop backpacks, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Wenger. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Victorinox. Number 3. Get your favorite laptop backpacks now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Victorinox. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.